Ndibai Dalun Non. Aba Ngozika. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a track with of fun. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always returning. I'm so grateful. Okay? Good. But before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngwan, kaigawa niru. In today's video, we are going to look at actions that have to do with do or don't in Igbo language. Okay? Do or don't in Igbo language. Yes, let's start with do and don't. Do simply translates me in Igbo. Me, then don't. Emene. Emene for don't. Then me for do. Emene. Emene. Don't. Me do. Yes. So let's start. Eat. Lie. Eat. Lie. That's to eat food. Okay? Eat. Lie. Eat. Lie. Don't eat. Eline. 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 Don't eat. Lie. Eat. Don't eat. Eline. Okay? The next one we have dance. Ba egu. Ba egu. Don't dance. Abana egu. Abana egu. Okay? Dance. Ba egu. Dance. Ba egu. Don't dance. Abana egu. Abana egu. Or you can simply say ba. Ba. Dance. Abana. Don't dance. Abana. Don't dance. So either way, you are correct. Ba egu or ba. Dance. Then abana egu or abana. Don't dance. Remember I said lie, eat. Don't eat. Eline. Eline. Okay? We also have 1 milli. Drink water. 1 milli. Drink is 1. Then water. Milli. 1 milli. Drink water. Anguna milli. Anguna milli. Don't drink water. Anguna milli. Don't drink water. Okay? 1 milli. 1 milli. Drink water. Anguna milli. Don't drink water. Anguna milli. We also have J, go. J, go. Don't go. Ejene. Ejene. Don't go. Ejene. J, go. Don't go. Ejene. Ejene. Don't go. Okay? Or jeve. 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 Or J, go. J or jeve. Good. Then we have ejene. Ejene, don't go. Or ejekwene. Ejekwene, don't go. Or ejene, don't go. Ejekwene and ejene means don't go. Then J or Jeve jeve, go. Do you understand? Yes. I'm taking it slowly in order for us to get what I'm saying. Okay? So we also have kenem. Kenem, greet me. Greet me. Don't greet me. Ekenenem. Ekenenem, don't greet me. Ekenenem, don't greet me. Ekenenem, ekenenem, don't greet me. Kenem, greet me. Ekenenem, don't greet me. Keneve, greet them. Keneve or kenefa. Okay? Keneve or keneva. Greet them. Ekeneneva. Ekeneneva, don't greet them. Ekeneneva, don't greet them. Keneva. Keneva, greet them. Ekeneneva, don't greet them. Kenem. Kenem, greet me. Ekenenem, don't greet me. Okay? Good. Swore aqua, wash the clothes, do the laundry. Swore aqua, swore to wash. Okay? Iswa aqua, to wash. Swore aqua, wash the clothes, do the laundry. Swore aqua. Asukwana aqua, don't wash the clothes. Asukwana, kwana, attached to the asu, don't. Asukwana aqua, don't wash the clothes. Or asuna aqua, don't wash the clothes. So we have asuna aqua or asukwana aqua. Asukwana aqua. Asukwana aqua, don't wash the clothes. Or asuna. Okay, let's assume you want to say don't wash without adding the clothes. Don't wash. Asuna. Asuna or asukwana. Okay? Don't wash. Asuna or asukwana. Then wash. Swore. 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 Wash. Don't wash. Asuna or asukwana. Okay? Yes. So we have swakwa. Asunakwa. Now we have wash your hands. This time you don't say swore your hands. Okay? It's different from the clothes. Kwo aka, wash your hands. Kwo aka, and not swore aka. Okay? You don't swore aka. What you do to the hands is kwo. Ana kwo aka kwo. Okay? Kwo aka, kwo aka, kwo aka, wash your hands. Then swore aqua. Okay? Swore aqua, wash the clothes. Then kwo aka, wash your hands. Akwana aka, don't wash. Akwana aka, don't wash your hands. Akwana aka, don't wash your hands. Aka, hands. Okay? Aka, hands. I have a couple of videos that will help you in knowing the parts of the body in Igbo language. So I will leave a link in the description so you can have access to that video. Okay? So kwo aka, wash your hands. Akwana aka, don't wash your hands. Akwana aka, akwana aka, don't wash your hands. Yes. We have shie ni, cook food, don't cook food. Eshine ni, ni is food, okay? Shie ni, shie is cook, cook food. Shie ni, cook food, cook food, okay? Eshine ni, Eshine ni, don't cook or don't cook food. Shie ni, cook or cook food. Don't cook food, don't cook. Eshine ni, don't cook food, okay? Or you can simply say shie iwe. Shie iwe. When you say shie iwe, you are not specifying what the person should cook. Just cook. Cook. It can pass for any kind of food, anything at all. Shie iwe. Shie iwe. Shie iwe. Shie iwe. Cook. Don't cook. Eshine iwe. Eshine iwe. Eshine iwe. Don't cook. Shie ni. Cook food. Eshine ni. Don't cook food. Now take your bath. Wo aru. Wo aru. Wo aru. Okay? Wo aru simply translates take your bath in English. Okay? Je war, go and take your bath. Je war, go and take your bath. Wo aru, take your bath. Awuna aru, don't take your bath. Awuna aru. Aru is the body. Let's say go and take your bath. Je waru. Remember when I told you J is go. Je waru. Don't go and take your bath. Ejene. Remember, don't go. Ejene wo aru. Ejene wo aru. Ejene or ejekwene wo aru. Ejekwene wo aru. Ejekwene wo aru. Don't go and take your bath. Je wo aru. Go and take your bath. So we have wo aru, or awuna aru. Take your bath and don't take your bath. Okay? Okay, we also have ask. Jwo. Ask me. Jwom. Ask me. Okay? Ask. Jwo. Don't ask. Ajuna. Don't ask. Or ajukwana. Don't ask. Jwo, ask. Okay? Jwo, ask. Ajukwana, don't ask. Don't ask. Jwom, ask me. Don't ask me. Ajukwanam, don't ask me. Ajukwanam or ajunam. Ajukwanam or ajunam for don't ask me. Then ask me. Jwom, ask. Jwo for ask. Okay? Palo iwe. Carry this. Palo iwe. Carry this. Apana iwe. Don't carry this. Apana. Don't carry. Palo, carry. Palo or pale. Okay? Palo, carry. Don't carry. Apana, apakwana or apana. Don't carry. Apana or apakwana. Okay? That's for carry. We also have lift. To lift something. Panie ocha, lift the seat. Panie ocha enu. Panie ocha enu. Panie akba. Lift the bag. Panie ocha, lift the seat. Lift it up. Don't lift. Apanine oche. Don't lift the seat. Apanina akbam. Don't lift my bag. Apanine, don't lift up. Lift it up. Panie, okay? Don't lift it up. Apanine, don't lift that seat. Apanikwene ocha, don't lift that seat. Panye ocha, lift that seat. Apanyene, don't lift. Panye, lift. Okay? Okay. Now let's look at chew. To chew. Chew. Ta. Excuse me. Ta, chew. Ta, chew. Don't chew. Atana. Don't chew. Atana. Ta, chew. Atana. Don't chew. Or atakwana. Don't chew. We have ta, chew. Atakwana. Don't chew. Or atana. Don't chew. Okay? Ta, chew. Atakwana. Ta, chew. Atakwana. Don't chew. Before we leave, remember do, may, and don't. Emene. Emene. Sometimes you can also say emekwene. Emekwene. Don't. Emene or emekwene. Emene or emekwene. Then do, may, do. Emekwene or emene for don't do or don't. And so that brings us to the end of today's video. I believe you learned a thing or two today. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when next I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Avam Kawokwa Ngozika. Ngwan, God in Bye.